Bore da, croeso I gwasanaeth dathliad. Good morning and welcome to our celebration assembly. Let's see who has been following the Windsor Clive Way this week and been awarded a golden wristband. So let's start in the nursery, and in the morning session Miss Marshall Clucas has chosen Stephen Cummings and Harley Thomas, and in the afternoon nursery Amelia Seward and Darcy Anderson. Next, in reception, Miss Harries has chosen Aimee Zia and Lexi Duggan for being ready, being safe and being respectful this week. In Mrs Mclaggen and Mrs Haggett's reception class, they've awarded golden wristbands to Jamil Mia and Zara Ahmed for following the Windsor Clive Way. Now in Year 1, Mrs Jonas and Mrs Lace have chosen Michael Dunn and Ashraf Ahmad for both following the Windsor Clive Way and working hard all week long. In Mrs Mogford's class this week, Ayde Reffell has been awarded a golden wristband for being a respectful member of the class, and Lexi Duggan for working hard to learn to read and spell tricky words. In Year 2 this week, Mrs Lansing and Mrs Protheroe have chosen two children for amazing independent story writing, and they are Rashida Hassan and Max Phoenix. In Mrs Thompson's Year 2 class, she's chosen two children for being superstars all week long, and those two children are Logan Keepings and Zane Bevan. In the Wellbeing class this week, Regon Christopher has been awarded a golden wristband for a superb week following the Windsor Clive Way. Now into Key Stage 2, and in Year 3, in Miss Andrews' class, she has chosen Elijah Carless and Grace Roberts Clark because they've both been ready, safe and respectful. Next door, in our other Year 3 class, Mrs MacDonald has awarded golden wristbands to Lola J. Lation and L.J. Del Rosario for following the Windsor Clive Way in Year 3. In Year 4, in Mrs Haggett and Mrs Fancourt's class, they've chosen Jake Howells-Jones for excellent work in maths this week and Hollie-May Rowlands for excellent effort in everything she's been asked to do across the whole week. In Miss Harrod's Year 4 class this week, two children for excellent teamwork and contributions to class this week, Rian Freeman and Priya Pace Kajiji. Over in Year 5, in Miss Coslett's class, she has awarded golden wristbands to Sharday Agius and Tiana Dunn for following the Windsor Clive Way. And in Miss Morris's class this week, she has chosen two children who've been ready, safe and respectful, Mason Jones and Rian Chowdhury. In Year 6 and in Mrs Mings' class, two children that have stood out this week are Leo Chester and Dennis Gabco. And finally, in Miss Cruz's Year 6 class this week, two children who followed the Windsor Clive Way, Noor Shah and Thomas Rice. What an excellent week, everybody. Well done to all of you, and especially to our golden wristband winners.